Welcome back, everyone. Tom, your chief dealer, keeping you sane in these insane markets. Euro dollar analysis for today, July 22nd, 2025, 9:24 Eastern Standard Time. Okay, so what's going on in the euro? I want to take you, this is a 4-hour chart. I want to actually go a little bit deeper, but actually I want to take this level right here. It's a pretty important level on our 4-hour chart. This is all consolidation now inside this area, but one of my rules. Now, this is just one of my rules, okay? If I'm trading something and I'm thinking, is this a full force, like breakout? Should I get involved with this market right now? One of my rules, and I've been saying it is, I need two consecutive higher higher pushes above this price. So let me get a path and just show you what I'm talking about so you can basically follow my madness, okay? Marketplace came up, it made this high. That's fine. Now, it could have come down and like touch this level right here. I'm going to be looking at this bar right, like just forget about this little inside bar. I'm just trying to show you a point. If in the next 4 hours consecutively we came up and we made another high, like a higher high than this one. So forget about this little inside bar. All right. If that wasn't there, just let's make believe we're kids, okay? Like we're playing a game. This would have said yes. There's a continuation pattern that's happening, and we could have went up to the 118.30 high. All right. Now, by it not doing that, it's basically saying it's forming another consolidation again. It's not really a full breakout. So let me get my brush right here. It's basically saying the market could come back down into this consolidation right now. So the way I would look at Eurodollar, if I was going to try, it's like this is like one of my breakout things. Like I would like to see two consecutive, higher highs. Now, listen, this is a 4-hour chart. If I went to a 1-hour chart, I may be able to find it, but it works better. Like my little technique works better on, a longer term chart. So if you were looking at, say, a 1-hour chart, just for instance, let's go down to a 1-hour. You're going to see uh, right here, we kind of punched it. We kind of punched it here. Well, I mean, would you consider this? It is a slight break of the line. Yeah, I would consider it on a 1-hour chart. This level here would have been the confirmation for the 1-hour. So it really would have gotten you long. Now remember, if it's a 1-hour chart you're trading, you would have got long at like 117.47. It only went up to like 60. So if you're trading like that type of style, okay, it kind of confirmed that for you. Now, if you're using a 1-hour for a longer term basis, you're looking at this level right here, and you don't want two punches down. Like here's a low, here's another low. It actually did this do it? Yeah, this one did it, and this one did it. So it's basically saying that, oh, we could go back into consolidation. But you'd want a deeper retrace into this area. Now, as it stands right now, Eurodollar, if I go over to the 4-hour chart, um, right now, as it stands, we went up to like 117.60. I'm going to move this support back up to oh, let's get rid of that thing. Gosh darn it. 117, 117. I'm going to go, where's that close? I'm going to go right up to this top right here. I'm going to go, it's got to hold 117.05 right now in a short term to continue a push towards where? Well, 117.90. So, like I said in previous videos, we got a lot of resistance going on in the euro dollar. This is all based off of dollar yen. Now, if dollar yen is starting to rally up a little bit, I don't know if it's going to be able to sustain the rally because it's been pushing down. But hey, markets are markets. They want to turn around, and they want to go higher. Fine, I'll look at another level to get involved in dollar yen. But this is not dollar yen at all. This is euro dollar. I get it. So right now, your critical price, if you're a bull, you wanted to see it hold 117.05. If you want to get long, Okay, wait for the market to come to you. Get a good. You can put a Fibonacci level on this thing and try to get scoop like a 0.382 point 618 if you wanted, with a stop loss below the 0.382. There's a lot of things you can do right now, but euro dollar itself is not really showing extreme strength, in my opinion. All right. I think it is neutral to slightly bullish at this point. If I come on over to the US dollar index versus, I'm going to put the euro dollar here, whereas, like won't let me do this. There we go. I'm going to put the euro dollar in that box. We could see it right here. Okay, here's the euro dollar. Here's my little work right here. We came up. We haven't been really able to get through this high. Now look what's happening with the US dollar index right now. That was yesterday's work, so let's get rid of it. It's starting to recover a little bit. Hasn't full force recovered yet, but it's starting to recover a little bit right now. It's basically consolidating. So that's what's holding up the euro dollar itself. It's, if this was actually flying lower, you'd see euro dollar that's already at you know, 117.90, 118.10. But this is the key, right here is the US dollar index is the key for this currency itself right here. Let's get rid of that. So right now we're sitting right at like 117.21. We're coming back down to a support point of like 117.05. That's a damn cigar smoke. I love cigars, but sometimes the smoke gets me. 117.05. Now, if 117.05 breaks, that would mean dollar yen is really kind of picking up steam and euro yen is falling a little bit further. So we could see euro dollar trade down to like 116.75, I would think. I think we could, if we break this, I think we can come down here. Look at that, 116.75, 116.78. So those are your critical prices for today, right here. And it needs to hold the line right there if it's still going to continue to show any strength. Let me change the color, make it orange. If it breaks through this, we could see 116.77. If it drops through that, we're opening up 116.21. All right, so that's what I got going on for you euro dollar today, you euro freaks. Link in the description. You get a video course and an ebook on breakouts, whether or not they're quality breakouts or not. I'll see you in the next video. And remember, always, 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 as a short-term trader, enjoy the party, but dance in the door. Cheers.